watermelon as you can. And
you shoot. Oh, let's see.
we're gonna count how many you eat when the time
over there.
stops. Whoever
What is
eats
the
the
scissors?
most wins.
It's over there.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Where?
I can't go.
Yanni.
I can't have chocolate.
But you have to swallow it. You can't spit it out.
I still have some on it.
Come on, it's not. You're gonna run out of time.
Remember, guys,
10
I
seconds.
told you the
10
best stuff is
seconds.
shoving food in your mouth.
Come on, hurry. Oh, he spit it out.
Stop.
Stop. Okay, who's the winner? The one that he was eating was significantly smaller than the one he was eating.
Still, but he's on the second one.
Yeah, but not very far. So what price do you?
Well, you can still eat it.
Oh yeah, it's over here on the side. They're doing it again?
No, they're finishing.
Oh, okay.
I ate too fast.
Oh no, you're gonna have so much food.
I've already eaten 2 pieces.
I know.
Ready?
You ready to go down, boy?
This is good watermelon, too.
Rabbit. I hope you don't have no.
Don't make me laugh.
He's eating it like a gopher. Here's the group.
I want to do another water meeting. Go, Bert! Come on, swallow that Making you. All right,
I had to go. I had to 10 seconds.
Bert won or you?
Yeah, see all those legs?
Come on, Bert. I want to try again. You want to try again? Who do you want to race against? Anybody.
Mom? Yeah. Bring that off for me.
You.
What about this? Hey, what do people
Bring that
gonna
off
do
for
about
me.
the cotton candy?
What?
You do it, Andrew.
I'm gonna have a contest on it.
I'll set it aside. You finish
You don't,
it off
you don't
later.
want to eat the coffee?
Who wants to go to the playground and play tag?
Nope, stay in here.
You have
that one doesn't even really have anything.
Who wants to go to the sushi bar? Just gonna do it with me.
I am. And then when I go home, I'm gonna throw it all up.
Oh, good.
Oh no, it'll be digested by then. Butter.
You'll be okay.
I think so.
Oh, you're gonna take the
Wow.
drive?
Timing.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Mark. Get
Nope.
set. Hold
And
on, you can't touch the watermelon yet. Put your hands
And you
in.
don't slap.
Ow.
Andrew, don't.
Go.
Go.
You really didn't have a contest.
I didn't know you liked watermelon.
Yeah, come on, you're running out of time. Eat like a mouse.
What grade you gonna be?
I think you just watching him play Andrew King before.
Wasting time.
You're eating like a bunny.
You're going to be burping for a week.
I'm not gaining 5 pounds.
Not from watermelon, no.
Johnny, no! Let him play.
You lost
Tickle
already.
him.
I'm his referee.
You lost already. He already ate 3.
Hey, look under that.
Turn down.
That hasn't been that long time ago.
Not now. Okay, time's up.
Okay, who's that? Is that all the watermelon? Oh, wait. We have...
Oh, the pizza.
That was it.